Now, there's a lot of metrics you can track, and there are a lot of words up here on screen, but not all metrics are created equal. The top and middle funnel metrics here, this is really how you optimize how you're reaching and nurturing potential investors. But these don't actually tell you if your acquisition strategy is profitable. They help you get to the table. They don't tell you what happens when you're there. So if you're a lean team, first want to focus on the bottom of the funnel. That's where real business value is being created. These are the metrics that are going to show you whether your acquisition efforts are actually working to grow capital and build long-term investor relationships. A couple key metrics to track here are things like first investment conversion rate, average initial investment size, cost per acquired investor. You might hear me call this CAC, or conversion time, basically the time it takes him to go from being a lead to becoming an investor. But the single most important metric you can track, this is what brings it all together, is expected investor lifetime value and LTV to CAC. When you're bringing on that net new investor and they convert at that bottom part of the top part of our funnel, their first investment is just the tip of the iceberg. You're delivering returns, cultivating trust. They're going to come back and bring more capital with them. So here's how to calculate expected LTV really quickly. It's going to be investment amount, repeat investment rate, number of repeat investments, yield gives you your LTV. This is going to tell you how much over time, the value you can expect from a single investor relationship. Compare that to your CAC, and now you have your LTV to CAC ratio. Now, your target benchmark here might shift depending on your strategy. If you're trying to grow, if you are being more aggressive, you might accept a lower LTV to CAC. If you're being more conservative, you might want that number to be higher. It's going to be very individual to your firm. The key here is if you're not measuring this, you're going to be somewhat flying blind. It's a clear signal of whether your acquisition strategy is building a sustainable, scalable investor base.